Yeah, so we're frying eggplant. Over there we have a fried egg, papaya, something. Yeah, good afternoon guys.
Good afternoon, guys.
Yeah, so actually today is Saturday and we would like to go
To Humayun Tomb, that is a famous place in Delhi. I think if you are Indian, you already know where is the Humayun Tomb, because that's famous place about the Humayun Tomb is king from the Mughal Empire.
yeah, we would like to go to, what's the name of the garden? The park?
Sundar Nursery. We are also going to Sundar Nursery, a park that's beside the Humayun Tomb. So yeah, we can look at the flower, rose, and something like that.
Yeah, and we've just come outside and it's already sweating like, oh my god.
There's a car. No, okay.
Bike. Yeah. Yeah, so see you there and check this out.
Bye.
So before taking the bus, and the bus will be free, right?
Yeah, for women it's free. I don't know. I think in Bangalore also, because we get the pink ticket for women, and we also showing the driver. They will be understand it's free.
Oh yeah, I guess when I was in Chennai, my friend told me that there's a bus, like being bus free for women. Yeah, so we're still at the bus stop and we're waiting for the bus heading to Humayun. Yeah, so we decided to take the auto in order to save time because it's already at 2 and yeah, hopefully we could reach Humayun Tomb as soon as possible to avoid the
Bukan masih, itu tempo.
oh my god.
Negara, anak satu negara.
Oh.
Sip, buat orang sip.
Oh my god, aku pikir
Masjid emang.
iya. Iya. Tak. Hello guys, so we've just entered the Humayun Tomb and yeah, we bought the ticket using the local price. So yeah, all the credits go to Ayla Dutt. Like, thank you so much. I still remember like the basic Hindi, you know, like if you would like to purchase like the tickets for 2 people in Hindi, thank you so much, because at that time I still remember I would like to purchase a ticket for the Red Fort, and I asked Ailadat to teach me like the basic Hindi, like how to say like 2 tickets for 2 people. And yeah, at the time we haven't host Hindi classes, so yeah, thank you so much Ailadat. And
Finally, I can buy ticket in local price because I know Hindi.
yeah, and here we are, Tar Humayun Tomb. Buru-buru banget sih orang ini. Nyum, lihat sini dong. Yeah, so welcome to Humayun Tomb. So what is exactly Humayun Tomb?
Humayun Tomb is the King Tomb. The name of king is Humayun. So
Acha.
this is the luxurious tomb in the India. So nobody can building the tomb like this.
I see. So this is inside the Humayun Tomb. Like, oh my god, it's so wide. Like, oh my goodness,
So big and a lot of tourists here. And also a lot of tourism, local tourism and international tourism.
local tourist.
Yeah, they come here. Bahkan ini aja udah berapa abad nih berdiri di sini.
Oh my god. Yeah, we're heading to the main gate, and oh my god, nah ini adem nih, lumayan. Yeah, so we're sweating. Unfortunately, we forgot to bring our drink.
It's okay, you can drink water anywhere. Ada air mancurnya, lu minum aja air mancur itu nanti.
Gokils.
Udah 3 kali aku kesini. Pertama sama kawan Indiaku,
Terus?
kedua sama Indra, sama Husnu, sama Nurul, sama Raisa, terus yang ketiga sama Dede.
Wow. Foto di sini bagus nih.
Ya, sini tak foto.
Okay guys, we are feel thirsty, so Rizky drink water. Look at this, drinking water. Okay, drink a lot.
Oh my god.
You should drink a lot. Why are you smiling? What is the funny?
Capek. Enak tau.
Dikasih masalah itu airnya.
Iya, dia tuh seger banget airnya. Iya loh.
Jeli.
Gua nggak sanggup.
Enak anjir. Yeah, it is good. Like, it's so refreshing. It's so fresh, I mean. Hello guys, so we're still sitting in one of the site of Humayun Tomb, and yeah, it's totally
Tired and hot also.
yeah. I mean, like, we're sweating a lot. Unfortunately, we don't bring like water, but luckily there's drinkable water here, and yeah, like, it's totally refreshing.
We not bring the bottle, guys, but
Yeah.
here available of drinking water for tourists.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, we not bring bottle.
Yeah. We don't bring the bottle, but it's totally refreshing. Like, the water is so cold, so yeah, it's totally great.
Kita isi ulang air. And if you coming Humayun Tomb, you can take the water here for drinking, and that's free. Okay, just bring the bottle. Aduh, duduk kayak gini boleh nggak ya? Kayak orang bertapa itu. Kayak yang orang lagi yoga itu nggak sih? Yang kayak begini itu.
Benar. Yeah, because I don't really know what to say because it's totally hot here, like summer in New Delhi, like oh my god. Oh, thank God there was a drinkable water that saves my life. Oh my god, it's so hot here. Okay. Ayo ini foto di sini nih. Wow. Waduh. Welcome to Humayun Tomb. Yeah. Wah, foto di sini bagus nih, bos. Yeah, so we're at the top of
Humayun Tomb.
Humayun Tomb. Yeah, so here it is. Oh my god. Yeah, so this is the view from the top. Like, yeah, it's so green. Lihat sini, bos. Cie.
Finally, we are in the top of Humayun Tomb.
Okay.
Look at that. There's a lot of people sitting on the grass.
Yes.